So, back on the trail. This is where I got messed up yesterday. Those are those flowers I was looking at. And the actual trail appears to be over here. And I missed this drop-off. So let's go this turn. I just put my head down and started walking. And that is where I needed to bend. Right there. So let's go follow this now. So back up. I just got some directions from a runner. She said to go up here, stay on this side of the road, make a right, and look for where it goes down into the woods. And then I would see a path and a sign. And she was right. Bike path reappeared. There's a trail marker, and we'll give this a shot. And here we go. Continue. A little steep, not terrible. Streams down there, which means the Fairweather crossing is somewhere down here. And we'll see. Oh yeah, look at that, the trail just drops away. Well, they said it was steep. That's steep. I'm gonna have to put the phone away. So you can do the old bridge to nowhere. Or you can do, it actually might be a new bridge that they're building. Or you can do this bridge, which is the bridge that's open. But there's a bridge maybe under construction right there. And then there's this bridge. And then there's this. The trail map says that the trail is 100% paved here. So yesterday, which was the day after the storm, this would have been 100% impassable. So I got lucky. Road walking continues. Mud, mud, mud. This whole section. So I just ran into some dog walkers who told me not to go this way because there's a significant blockage. There's a tree down, as well as a lot of mud and flooding. Yeah, there it is. So I think I'm going to end up having to go back and take any exit that gets me out of here, and I will have done really as much of this trail as this section of the trail as possible. Yeah, so it is blocked, and it's lying linearly along the trail. There's also, I think, poison ivy on it. Yeah, so the trail is done down here, and whatever I did yesterday will have to be it. As you can see, you just can't get through this. I'm gonna have to find a way around it. I think what I'll do is go up into a neighborhood, get cleaned up, call an Uber, and get over to Lake Occoquan so I can pick up where I left off yesterday.